What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guys already know, we have stepped into September and it's time for some fall looks. So this is my fall look that we're going to be creating today. It's a little tutorial on this look right here. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any further time. Alright you guys, I'm already done with the left eye and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get this on the right side of my face and then on my eye. I'm already done with the base and the foundation part and everything. All the products will be mentioned down below in the description box. If you guys need any information, you know where to find. And for today's look, we'll be using two palettes. The first one is a Makeup Revolution Maxi Reloaded Big Shot palette, and the next one is of course Morphe 35 Fall into Frost palette. Excuse how dirty my palette looks, I'm really sorry. I just love this palette a lot and this is perfect for a fall look since we're doing one. So I'm going to be using this and this. Alright, so let's get started. I've already primed my eyelids and everything is on the base front is done. So I'm going to use a blending brush. This is from the e.l.f. This is from the e.l.f. eye brushes, and I'm going to go ahead and start with the Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here. I'm going to be using this shade in my crease. So let's get on with it. Let me get my mirror real quick. My mirror is here. I can't find my big mirror, so I'm using the e.l.f. blush palette mirror, whatever. Alright, so I'm going to dip into that shade and I'm going to apply it in my crease, right inside the socket, right inside the crease. Okay, and as I'm going to also take it outwards to my outer crease, right, to give that little shape to it. So let's keep doing it. I'm holding the brush far behind. That's exactly how you're supposed to hold it, and I'm going in sweeping motions in my crease, and I'm also extending it outwards. I'm also going to apply the shade on the outer corners of my lid. Apply this shade. That's it for the Makeup Revolution palette. Now it's turn for our Morphe palette, and from this I'm going to go ahead and jump into this black shade right here. I'm going to be using the same blending brush, brush off the extras. Alrighty guys, I'm applying it on my inner corners and the outer corners as well, and just a little bit in my crease to darken it up. So now I'm going to apply this shade right here from this palette. It's a shimmer shade and I like to apply my shimmer shades with my finger. So I'm going to apply it right in the middle. Now I'm going to apply this shade right here on my inner corners. This look is pretty simple. There was not much that had to be done. Alright, so the next step is to use a glitter topper, and I'm going to be using this glitter topper that's from LA Girl. I'm just going to apply it like this. Alright, so the next step is to put a liner, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. liner. See if we did the wing. Now I'm just going to fill that in. Alright, so we're done with the liner part as well. Now I'm going to conceal my under eyes, and also I'm going to clean up this whole mess. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer that's in the shade Light Medium Sand. Put it right here. And some over here to clean up this whole mess. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the same black shade from the Morphe 35F palette, and I'm going to apply that on the lower lash line. So I'm applying it on my lower lash line, and we're just gonna darken it up a bit. Now next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this shade, and I'm going to apply this below, a little below the black shade. So now I'm going to put my lashes on, and first I'm going to apply my mascara, and this is from Maybelline New York Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I'm going to apply this on my lower lashes as well as my upper lashes. Okay, so we're done putting the mascara. Now I'm going to use some falsies. So I'm going to use these medium-sized single lashes, and I'm going to apply 2 of them on my lower lashes, and also Ardell natural lashes on the upper lashes. Alright, so I'll be doing the lashes off camera, and so I'm done with the lashes. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Fit Me loose powder, Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. It's in the shade light medium, that's 20, and I'm going to use my fluffy brush, and I'm just going to set it all. Now I'm going to use my Milani bronzer. This is in the shade Sun Tan, and I'm just going to bronze my face. I'm going to use this angled brush. Everything will be linked down below the description box in case you want to know the product information. Just going to start applying it over here. Now I'm going to go ahead with my e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. So now for highlighter, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder. This is what I'm going to be using. I'm also going to apply it on my brow bones just to give it a little lift. Just looks really pretty when I apply it there. Okay, so we're done with the whole face part. Now it's time for our lips, and for today I'm going to be using the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade 61. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. Do you like it? Let me put like a hair clip right here. It's gonna look really good. Alright you guys, so this was my fall look 1, and I'll be back with more fall looks, and there is a lot of interesting stuff coming up your way. If you guys like this look right here, and if you were to wear this look, so comment down below. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button right down below, and also please turn on your bell notifications so you are always notified whenever I post new videos. Also there is a lot of looks that I do on my Instagram, so you should definitely come check out. My Instagram ID will be down below in the description box and also somewhere here on the screen. Alright you guys, take care of yourselves, and I'll meet you next week. Bye.